Welcome back, guys. If you're watching my videos, this is one of those videos that I'm making, but video is more like an encouragement. I wanted to show you guys, what is it. So I've been recording, I've been taking pictures over the years, but this particular video, I took pictures from a complete demo to a complete finished bathroom. So these are the pictures that I'm sharing with you right now. And I put the bathtub there. It wasn't there before. And what I did was I took this marker and I made a line, so I know what to do. When I remove the tub, I'm going to install some 2x4s to kind of slide it in. And this 2x4 is not going to be there to hold the tub in place. What's going to hold the tub in place is how it is right now. So you see the gap that I was showing earlier. I'm going to put some foam underneath this tub. The foam is going to keep it up. So right now, I'm just checking the level of the tub. You want it leveled or slightly, declined toward the drain. So what I'm doing right now, as you can see, is I left it in the middle. It's dead centered. So what I'm going to do is when I foam it on the bottom, I'm going to make sure it's declined toward the drain. This way the water flow will be fast. So I'm going to take 2x4 like this. And as you see, I've already marked it. I'm going to put the 2x4s in after I remove the tub, so I could easily slide it in. So these are all the plumbing that is going on right now. Some of the plumbing I had to update. The PVC pipe and the copper pipe had to be updated. Some of them were leaking. So some of the drains were clogged. So while I had the wall open, I did all the upgrading before I closed the wall. I had to add a hot water, cold water, going outside. So as you can see, I started building up the bathroom, and I'm using this special type of sheetrock or gypsy board. It's a mold resistant, and that's why it's blue. It costs a little bit more, but for kitchen and bath, this is what's recommended to use. So should there be any water or a moisture, it will resist that. This is what the area looks like right now. I opened it up a little bit. I moved I break about 1 foot off a wall, and this is what the plumbing is looking like. This video is not intended to teach anybody anything, but it's more like an encouragement. If you're working on a project like this, continue, because there is always a light at the end of the tunnel. So this particular job that I'm doing here, I'm just showing you update as I progress. So I've closed most of the wall with the sheetrock, and I did some plastering also. I left the tub open, and at this time I already installed tub. I made a separate video of the tub installation to give you a detail. I didn't want this video to be longer than it needs to be, so I didn't show how to install tub here. I have a video for that already. So this is what this room looks like right now. Little progress happened. And as you can see, I installed a tile. I used this special leveling tile system that you could find in your hardware store, and it works well. I got to tell you, the tiles came out labeled and everything correctly, and it was leveled as well. And I didn't have too much problem with having the tile leveled. So as we progress, the finished product is right here. This is what it looks like right now. All the tiles are in place. Everything is in place. I bought the new toilet and the sink. I bought the hangers. I also added a spray with the jacuzzi. I also added a shower, in case I needed to take shower, or I could use it the jacuzzi spout for the bath. The sink I bought from Lowe's, and the tiles and everything else in place right now. This is what the finished product looks like. And then the sliding door, that's what I have inside the boiler room. The boiler room is inside the sliding door. I didn't move the boiler room. So what I did was I got this sliding door. So should I need to replace the boiler or something, I could just easily remove those sliding door. So this is what my finished product is looking like right now, as you can see. If you find this video useful or beneficial, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share it with your family and friends. As always, I appreciate you taking your time watching this video. I'm very proud of how this project turned out, especially if you've seen the beginning of this video. And if you are one of those person who went through the full video, you see there is a light at the end of the tunnel. I look at this bathroom every day and I feel very proud of it. It was a great success because now I not only save so much money, I also got to design it the way I wanted. And this is one of the accomplishments that I wanted to do.